Students, welcome back to today class. And today class I'm going to give a revision for first lesson. Okay, first lesson 1 words and second lesson 1 words. Okay, and the first one, fill in the blanks. Dash is the practice of cultivating crop. Agriculture. Okay, agriculture gives dash products and dash materials. Agriculture gives food products and raw materials. Third one, the dash season season begins in summer and ends in winter. ஸோ வந்து சம்மரில் வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. இட்ஸ் பிகின்ஸ் இன் சம்மர் அண்ட் ends in winter அப்படின்னா கரிஃப் சீசன். அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் ஒன், த டேஷ் சீசன் பிகின்ஸ் இன் வின்டர் அண்ட் ends in summer அப்படின்னா வந்து ரபி. And the fifth one, in India farmers produce two types of crops, dash and dash. One is food crops and the other one is called cash crops. Okay, the second one, complete the following table. So in the top, in the heading, the words are given: crops, cropping season, favorable climate and cultivation area and uses. So here's 4 words are given. So first one, sugar cane. So sugar cane, it's a cropping season, Rabi, and the climate, unsuitable climate, hot or moist. Okay, and area on the Tamil Nadu, and uses on the we get the sugar from sugar cane. And maize, and it's a cropping season on the Kharif, and hot and dry season climate, and it's a cultivation area on the Gujarat. And on the corn on the syrup, we can prepare corn syrup from maize. And third one, cotton also cropping season on the Kharif, and the favorable climate அப்படின்னா வந்து cool or heavy rain. And it's mostly வந்து cultivation area வந்து Punjab, and uses வந்து cloth. And the fourth one, clove, and it's a cropping season வந்து Kharif, and the favorable climate வந்து heavy rainfall. And the next one, cultivation area அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா வந்துட்டு Kerala, and it's a taste to food. Okay, in the second lesson, so the next lesson, Phillips. So next lesson, Phillips, it's a fill in the blanks. And the first one, before the invention of dash, man used animals as a means of transport. So before the invention of wheel, so the answer is wheel. And the second one, dash highways connected towns and cities across India, state highways. Third one, the first train in India ran between the Bombay and Thane. Bombay and Thane. Okay, and the fourth one, Mumbai and Kandala and Kolkata are important port of the country. Okay, the fifth one, dash is the most important means of communication of important means of communication of country அப்படின்னா வந்து postal service. Okay, so dear students, so learn this one words. Okay, when complete the table, that one, and two lessons, one words learn and write this one words in your homework note. Thank you. Learn and write. Okay, don't simply write.